What's up guys, it's Bobby. Before we jump into the video, as I mentioned in a previous video where I did an overview of a selection of cases for the iPhone 13, I'm going to be giving away some cases throughout all of the different iPhone content that I'm going to be releasing. So for this video, the giveaway I'm doing is for this clear MagSafe case by Zira. And so this one in particular is for the iPhone 13 mini. I'll be giving away some for the other models in my other different videos, but just to kind of start things off, if you guys want to win this case, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then comment down below on the video your Instagram handle, and then follow me on Instagram as well. And the link to my Instagram is in the bio down below. In 2 weeks from now, on October 8th, I will be picking a winner and I will DM you directly on Instagram. So that's how I'll get in touch with you in order for you to win this case. But yeah, so this one is for the iPhone 13 mini. So if you want to win, definitely enter that. Let's jump into the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. What's up everybody? My name is Bobby and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the 256 gigabyte capacity. So I just picked this guy up from the Apple Store. I managed to be second in line, so if you're interested in seeing like my pickup vlog, that video will also be linked down below. But yeah, let's just jump into it. So as you see on the new iPhones, instead of the cellophane wrap, we actually have these little pull tabs now, which is cool. Alright, so there's that. What the hell? That's not right. Boom, there we go. Wow, so yeah, as you guys see, I decided to go for the silver and white version this year. This is the first time I've done that in multiple years actually. I think since the 6S was a thing. Now for the most satisfying part. Look at that, man. Man, that looks good. Now, as far as what else comes in the box, no charging brick as expected. You do have your USB-C to Lightning cable. And then along with just kind of the information that normally comes in the package, along with the SIM card tool, you get one Apple sticker, and it's a just white Apple sticker. They didn't do color matching ones, even though I guess this one technically is a color matching one, but no color matching ones. Yeah, so that's the unboxing. I'm gonna have a lot more videos about the iPhone itself coming up. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and check back for more content. Peace.